Welcome back for a Tuesday update, not only for the first-time home buyers, sellers, investors, anybody looking to gain knowledge about real estate. That's what I cover every single Tuesday. A little side note, if you check out my bio, you will find the link for my YouTube. I'll be posting all these videos on the YouTube, so definitely check that out and subscribe. This Tuesday, I want to talk about a house in Linwood and give you guys kind of a rough payment of how much it would cost to own that house, so you guys can kind of understand the process. And maybe, if you're on the fence of buying, maybe you can, or maybe you need to wait a little bit. So to jump right into it, and I'll post the picture of the house that I'm quoting right here. It's a $440,000 house here in Linwood. And for this example, we'll do a 3% conventional loan and say you have a 640 credit score. Right, so kind of the basic of how it's gonna crunch down. So 1946 will be your principal and interest on that loan. $367 a month for property taxes, $60 for homeowners insurance, and $170 for private mortgage insurance because you're putting less than 20% equity in the home. Little side note, once you reach to that 20% equity, that PMI will be discontinued. But for this purpose, with 3% down, you'll have that $170 monthly PMI payment. So that comes out to be a total of $2,543 for your monthly payment on that $440,000 house. Now what a lender is going to do to approve you for this, they're going to divide that by 0.45, which is debt to income. So that's on this upper right hand corner, which comes out to be $5,651. So that's the minimum amount of money you're going to be needing to make a month. Okay, and it's actually going to be more than that because you're going to obviously have living expenses like everyone does. Gas, groceries, etc. So in reality, you would probably need to be making around $6,500 a month to afford this house. Okay, and then you get down into closing costs and down payment. So what is the money you're going to need to bring on closing day at the closing table? Closing costs for this property would be around $9,000. Okay, that'd be escrow, title, inspection, appraisal, miscellaneous prorations on that. And then your down payment, 3% of $440,000 is $13,200. You add those together, you get $22,200. So that's the payment you're gonna need to bring to the closing table as a check, money you're gonna need to have, right? So you can get into this house for $22,200. Your payment's gonna be $2,543 a month. So if you have a little extra cash laying around, for what rents are going for, you could probably get into this house for less than what you're gonna rent a current house for in Linwood. So hopefully that helped explain, the cost structure of what owning a house is. And it's actually a lot more affordable than what most people think. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like I said, check out the bio for that YouTube channel and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.